Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bold letters. So in Arabic language, there are seven letters which are called bold letters because while articulating, while speaking, while reading these seven letters, the root of the tongue should be raised toward the palate. That's why these seven letters are pronounced with bold and heavy sound. So how to pronounce these seven letters? Kho, صاد ضاد طاء ظاء غين قاف. Read again. خاء صاد ضاد طاء ظاء غين قاف. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, to share with your friend, with your neighbor, with classmate, with all the Muslim Ummah around the world.